Divide 996 by 6 in long division method. 6 times 1 is 6. On subtracting, we get 3. So now this 3 is less than 6. So we put down this 9 and it is 39. 6 times 6 is 36. On subtracting, we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 6. So we put down this 6 and it is 36. 6 times 6 is 36. On subtracting, we get 0. So 996 divided by 6 is 166. So this much for today and thanks for watching.